Hello guys, you have reached Regina TV and today we will be doing a product review. The product that we will be reviewing today is the Focus on Selfie Stick. So if you want to learn about this selfie stick, then just stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get to it. This selfie stick is Bluetooth compatible, smartphone compatible, it locks, it swivels, and it extends to 39 inches. The on selfie stick come with instructions, an extra header just in case something happens to the header that you have, and it also comes with a mount for your phone or camera. And when you take it out of the box, it looks like this. It has the top apparatus. This knob here allows you to swivel your camera or phone any way you want to swivel it. This allows you to connect either the extra header that comes with it, which is this right here, or your smartphone holder. This cradles your smartphone, so I'm going to stand it up. You have an extra component right here to slide it on any existing stand that you may have. So you can attach it laying down this way or standing up. So let's just stand it up. But what I do like about it is at the end of this, you can screw this on any stand that you have, and that will make it extend a little longer. One of the other things that I like about this is the fact that it locks. Now, when you unscrew this a little bit, you can tilt this forward and backwards and things of that nature, and you can turn your phone any type of way you want to turn it. But the other thing that it does is when it extends, it locks. So just give it a small turn and you can lock it at any level. When you want to unlock it, only thing you got to do is turn it. And if you want it to be locked at that level, just turn it and it'll lock. To unlock it, turn it the other way and it slides easily. So if I want it here and here, there you are. Just turn and lock. When you're done, it goes back down. It has a button here to take pictures because it's Bluetooth. It has a nice foam handle and it also has a strap so you will not drop it. All right, guys, everything about this selfie stick will be in the description box below. I got this selfie stick from Walmart and it costs $9.98, so let's round that up to $10. So guys, you have reached Regina TV. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share. And until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, and I will talk to you later. Mwah.